Welcome to the PSI Assembly and Operation Guide for Mechanisms 3 and 4. Start by slotting the gas stem into the base and slide on the protective shroud. Then, lower the chair onto the gas stem and slot the backrest into the mechanism. When using Mechanism 3, lift the right side front paddle to raise the chair height. Lift the right side middle paddle to tilt the seat and backrest together. Lift the right side rear paddle to independently tilt the backrest. On Mechanism 4, the middle paddle becomes a synchronized backrest and seat tilt at a ratio of 2:1. Backrest height is controlled via a ratchet mechanism. The backrest will return to its lowest position when it reaches the top. Optional on both Mechanisms 3 and 4, lift the left side paddle to slide the seat forwards and backwards. Turn the tension dial clockwise or anti-clockwise to increase or decrease the resistance of the seat and backrest tilt.